20 mind-blowing animal superpowers you didn't know existed. 1. Electric eel's shockwave. The electric eel, actually a knife fish, can generate an electric charge of up to 600 volts, which is more than enough to stun prey or defend itself from predators. Its specialized cells, called electrocytes, create an electrical field. By activating these cells in sequence, the eel discharges a high-voltage shock. This ability is used for navigation, hunting, and defense. 2. Tardigrades' extreme survival. Tardigrades, or water bears, are microscopic animals that can survive extreme conditions like space, radiation, freezing, and even boiling. Tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis, where they lose almost all water content, essentially becoming suspended in animation. They can remain in this state for years and then reboot when rehydrated. 3. Mantis shrimps' superhuman punch. They have club-like appendages that they use to strike prey with such speed that they create shockwaves. When a mantis shrimp strikes, it moves its appendage faster than a bullet from a gun 50 miles per hour. The force of the strike generates a cavitation bubble that can stun or dismember prey. 4. Axolotls' regenerative powers. They are a salamander capable of regenerating entire body parts, including limbs, organs, and even parts of its spinal cord and brain. This superpower is due to a unique genetic ability that allows the axolotl to activate regenerative pathways in its cells, which then regrow tissue with no scarring. 5. Pistol shrimp's sonic weapon. They can snap its claw so rapidly that it creates a bubble capable of reaching over 200 decibels, louder than a jet engine. The snapping action creates a cavitation bubble that produces a shock wave, stunning or killing prey. The sound emitted also confuses predators and rivals. 6. Cuttlefish's invisible cloak. They are masters of camouflage, able to change their skin color and texture to blend into any environment. Special cells in their skin, called chromatophores, contain pigment that allows them to change colors. Cuttlefish also have iridophores, which reflect light and help them change texture, making them appear almost invisible. 7. Spider silk strength. This is one of the strongest materials known to science, surpassing steel in terms of tensile strength. The protein molecules in spider silk are aligned in a way that allows them to stretch and absorb impact, making them incredibly durable. This is why spider webs are used to capture prey that can be much heavier than the spider itself. 8. Bat echolocation. Bats can see in total darkness by emitting high-frequency sound waves and listening to the returning echoes. Bats emit ultrasonic sounds that bounce off objects, allowing them to map their surroundings in 3D, navigate, and locate prey. Their brains process these echoes into a clear mental image of the environment. 9. Tardigrades' cryptobiosis. As mentioned, tardigrades can survive the most extreme conditions known to life, including space. In cryptobiosis, their metabolic processes nearly halt, and they lose most of their water content. This makes them incredibly resilient to desiccation, radiation, and freezing temperatures. 10. Chameleon camouflage. They are known for their ability to change color to blend into their surroundings. Chameleons use specialized pigment cells called chromatophores. These cells can expand or contract to change color. Their ability to change color is not just for camouflage but also reflects their mood, health, and temperature. 11. Salmon's magnetic sense. They are known to navigate vast distances to return to their spawning grounds with pinpoint accuracy. Salmon have a magnetic sense that allows them to detect the Earth's magnetic fields. They use this sixth sense to map out long migratory routes, even from the ocean to the precise river where they were born. 12. Octopuses escape artist skills. Octopuses can fit through any opening, no matter how small, because of their soft bodies. Octopuses lack a skeleton, and their bodies can compress to fit through tiny spaces. This ability allows them to escape from predators or enclosures, often by squeezing through cracks the size of their eyes. 13. Eagles' supervision. They have some of the sharpest vision in the animal kingdom, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. An eagle's eyes are up to 8 times sharper than human vision. This allows them to see prey as far as 3 miles away, even from high altitudes. Their retinas have more photoreceptor cells, providing enhanced clarity. 14. Sloth's slow metabolism. They have the slowest metabolism of any mammal, which allows them to conserve energy. Sloths move slowly, eat little, and sleep up to 20 hours a day. This energy conservation strategy is effective for surviving in their low-energy environment, where food can be scarce. 15. Shark's sixth sense, ampullae of Lorenzini. They have electroreceptors that can detect the faintest electric fields produced by prey. The ampullae of Lorenzini are specialized organs that detect electromagnetic signals generated by the muscle contractions of potential prey. This allows sharks to hunt in the dark or murky waters.
16. Moles Underground Navigation.
They are expert diggers that can navigate underground tunnels with incredible precision, despite the lack of light. Moles rely heavily on their sensitive whiskers and specialized nose to navigate. Their ability to detect minute vibrations helps them avoid obstacles and predators while digging. 17. Penguins' super endurance. Penguins thrive in the coldest environments, surviving extreme temperatures while hunting in icy waters for hours. Penguins have a layer of fat beneath their skin that insulates them against the cold. They can also endure long periods of swimming by slowing their metabolism and conserving energy while diving deep into icy waters for food. 18. Komodo dragons' poisonous bite. Komodo dragons have venomous saliva that can cause serious infections in their prey. The venom in their saliva contains harmful bacteria that infect the prey's bloodstream, weakening it and eventually leading to death. The Komodo dragon follows its prey for days until it succumbs. 19. Honeybees' collective intelligence. Honeybees are capable of advanced social organization and collective intelligence, which helps them locate and share resources. Bees communicate through a waggle dance, where they shake their bodies to signal direction, distance, and quality of food sources. This helps the entire colony find and collect nectar efficiently. 20. Hummingbirds' hyperenergy flight. Hummingbirds are capable of hovering in midair and even flying backwards, using an enormous amount of energy. The unique structure of their wings allows them to rotate in a full circle, enabling them to hover in place and fly in all directions. This requires a high metabolism, and they must consume their body weight in nectar daily to sustain it. These animal superpowers show the extraordinary adaptations that enable creatures to survive, thrive, and conquer challenges in the wild. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications buttons for more interesting updates.